All right, so here we have a 2004 model X-Mark 54-inch Laser Z. I was cutting grass yesterday. I stopped to get a drink of water, turn it back on, nothing happens. Battery's good. Everything checks out. It's probably a switch that I'm not too familiar with. So the problem was I couldn't get it to move to load on the trailer to go get it fixed. And I watched a bunch of videos. People were talking about how there's levers under both of these, levers underneath. Well, this one didn't have it. So what I did was just played around with it a little bit, and I loosened these, I guess they're solenoids. Keep in mind, I'm not a mechanic. I don't know. This has the hydraulic pressure, so you loosen those to release the hydraulic pressure, and then boom, you can, well, not with one hand, but I can push it with my foot compared to taking all my energy out to try to move it 3 inches. But in case you're wondering, that's how you do it to get your zero-turn lawnmower to move if it is locked up and won't start.